Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Katie and I love to have crazy hair colors. Now, this is not a color that anyone has seen me have. Well, I've had blue hair before, but my hair was originally this color right here, and I used a color remover and it turned into this blue, so it didn't fully strip the color. You can see there are some like lighter goldish like blonde pieces throughout here, like on my roots and stuff, but it is light enough for me to be able to do the color that I want. So I'm glad that I don't have to like bleach my hair. I have always been a fan of Billie Eilish, and if you don't know who Billie Eilish is, you just need to stop this video and go check out her music because she is amazing. I don't think there's one song from her that I don't like. I do want to say my face makeup looks so terrible right now just because I cleaned 2 houses today. That's what I do for work, and my face makeup is getting shiny and it's all wiped off and stuff, but I'm just dyeing my hair and then I'm going to take a shower, so I don't really care how I look. But yeah, today we're doing a hair transformation video, and like I mentioned, I love Billie Eilish. So Billie Eilish has the green roots but the black hair. So I'm going to be doing a Billie Eilish hair transformation but reversed. So I'm going to be doing black roots with green hair. Now, I am not a licensed cosmetologist or hair stylist, hairdresser. I don't even know what they're called. I do my own hair. I have done my hair my whole entire life. I shave my hair on the side. I do have a full undercut. So how much hair I have on my head is this much hair right here. So we only have a little bit we're working with. I did do a strand test of the green. Now, I have had bright green hair before. I'll put up a picture right here. I loved it. It was so much fun. So I'm excited to go back. But the reason why I'm doing a dark root is because after I had my son, my roots don't hold color like at all unless it's, well, even if it's a very dark color, it doesn't, but it will hold black really well. So I decided we're going to be doing a black root, and I'm going to try to fade it into the green. So I'm hoping that this works really well. Billie Eilish's hair, I'm not the biggest fan of how it looks. I feel like it kind of looks like her hair, I don't know. It's just like when someone has blonde, if someone originally has black, what am I doing? If someone originally has like black hair and they dye it blonde and then they let the roots come through, it just looks, I don't know, it just looks tacky, and it looks like they need to touch the roots up. So that's how I feel like her hair looks. So we're going to do it like a reversed hairstyle. So if you guys are curious to see how this turns out, I'm excited. Just keep watching. So the products that I'm going to use today, this is the Ion Permanent Jet Black Intense Shine hair dye. I did not want to buy one from the drugstore. I feel like I get all my hair dye at Sally's Beauty Supply, and they always have really good sales and all that. So that's what the packaging looks like. This will last me a while, especially since I'm only doing my roots. And then the star of the show is the Manic Panic Electric Lizard. And guys, this color is amazing. It is as bright as you see it in this packaging. It's amazing. Oop, it almost spilled out there, but it is gorgeous. So I am very excited. I think I'm just going to do kind of like a speed through. I'm putting my gloves on, and I am going, actually first, I'm going to go in with some of this. It's just like it's kind of like Vaseline, but it's like a little ointment. I didn't have Vaseline up here, but I don't want to get black hair dye on my skin. Not that I really care if I do or not, but just to kind of prevent it some, I'm going to stick some of this on the the areas where I don't have hair and then I don't want black hair dye to stick. So like I said, I'm looking crazy. I'm going to go ahead, if you see me looking over, I just want to make sure I am recording. I apologize. I want to make sure that, well, what I'm going to do is just probably speed through this and like show you guys the process and all that, and put some music on and all that. So yeah, let's get started. It's been sitting in my hair for about 35 minutes and it's time to wash this out. It's looking a bit crazy, but I'm excited to see how it looks.
Tropical vibes are taking